everybody, look at this. 3 trains at one time. Right here in Portage. Now turn around. Come back around. There's a third one. Let me just say, all right, that was so cool. We saw the eastbound coming up, which was going that direction. I panned, and as soon as I panned, the corner of my eye as I'm turning, I catch that westbound intermodal on track 2. It went from track 3 to track 2, and then I turned around for track 2's train going west, and here comes a track 1 eastbound. So it went 3, 2, 1, all the way to us. I have never seen anything like that ever, dude.
I know, it was absolutely perfect.
That was
you couldn't ask for better timing or anything like that. It was amazing.
Spot on, dude.
It was amazing.
I mean, everything just flowed. It wasn't like a hesitating, nothing was delayed about that at all. So cool. I've never seen anything like that before. I guess that's what you get when you come up here to Pittsburgh line, but you don't ever get that where I come from. So, pretty cool. That was the most probably incredible thing I've ever seen on the railroad, just because it's all 3 at the same time. How do you know that you're going to be at the right place at the right time to see exactly what we saw? You wouldn't have had the same view if you were 100 feet up or 100 feet down. No. Period. We had to be right here that whole time, so that was really cool, man. So cool. Well, unfortunately, that's all for today's video. Thank you for joining us on this triple meet. Be sure to, as always, from here in Portage, Pennsylvania, stay safe, God bless, and happy filming.